Hello people, greetings from wherever you're watching right now. AI website builders have simplified the website creation process for everyone. These days, you need to know how to write a single line of code to be able to create stunning, fully functional, and dynamic website. In this video, I will take you through the entire website creation process using the 10 Web AI website builder platform. If you're ready, let's get to work right away.
Okay guys, head over to 10web.io. This is the URL. Now on the homepage, if you scroll down, you can see their selling points right here, that you can build a professional website with the help of AI. You can also create your website with AI generated content and images effortlessly. That's the keyword, effortlessly. So somewhere on the index page, you can see AI website builder, what they offer, AI e-commerce website builder. You can see automated hosting, and then again page speed booster. These are actually all the tools you need for your website once you're using the 10web.io platform. So right here, you click generate your website. It takes you here where you are going to be asked whether you create from AI or you create convert a WordPress website. So you click the first one, which is to generate website with AI. So in the first one, you are asked to select the kind of site you want. In this case, I want to create an informational website, so I click there on, then click next. It takes you it's going to ask you the business type, and then if you click on the search box, the drop down will appear from where you select the kind of business, so just go through what works. I think restaurants is what I want to do, so it's asking me whether I'm going to receive payment online. Is a yes, so I check this particular button. Next, I click next, like so. In a matter of seconds, it takes me to this other page where I'll be asked to input my restaurant name. So I'm going to quickly input the restaurant name like so. Now the next thing is the description. So it's asking me to describe my restaurant as the website. So you can type in one line, and then you allow AI to do the magic of generating a description for your website. In this case, I just have local restaurants where homemade delicacies are made. And you click on enhance with AI, so you can have that description right there. If you are not comfortable with this, you click on enhance with AI again, but mine is okay. I click on next, takes me here. So here, based on the info provided, the AI is to generated 3 core benefits of this particular website and listed them this way. Easily done. So you click on next once you get here. Takes you here, then it's asking whether to choose the tone of voice of content. I prefer to leave at informal. You can select formal depending on your needs, so click on finalize. So it's asking me, you can see your website is waiting for you, but you need to sign up before you can get there. So I'll quickly do that and then wait for the magic to happen. So you can see here, congrats, your website was successfully created with AI. So click on preview and edit, and then it takes you to the website proper. This is exactly the outcome of what we just created. With a few clicks, you can see welcome to McJoe, spicy food and restaurants, and even the description that was generated by AI the other time. There are actually 3 main pages: the about us, menu, contact, and a reservation page as well. Should I say 4 pages? So if you scroll down, you can see some very interesting headers and images. These are AI generated images, so you don't have to worry about any copyright claims. You can see another one right there, strategically placed on the index page of the website. Here, this section is the menu section, where you have a list of all the offerings in this restaurants that I'm creating this website for. You can see spicy shrimps tacos, 12.99 USD, spicy beef tamales, 11.99. Guys, it's even including the prices. Now if you scroll down a bit, you can see a page where you can view all the menu if there are more. So this is like the gallery displaying the kind of foods that we serve in these restaurants. And then if you scroll down a bit, you see our team section, where you have a brief description and photos of team members of these imaginary restaurants. Right here you can see the testimonial section, where customers put down their experience with us, and you can see reservation and book a table now right there. At the footer you can see the name, like the brand, and then social links right there, the location, which is the address, the business address, and the opening hours are all there. You can see another reservation button at the top end of the website. So guys, this is it. So if we go back to the dashboard, you can see a workplace has been created, and like that, and this is the projects that we just created, the website that we created. So if you click on manage, it takes you right here to the left side. There are quite a number of tabs. The first one is the overview, which is the current page as it is now. The next one is the AI builder, which we are going to look at, the e-commerce, the website booster, the hosting services, the professional services, the plugins, the WordPress themes, the backups, and the white labels, all on there in the workplace that is automatically created. Now if you hover over the project we just created, the first one is website and the second one is built with 10 web builder. That's if you want to edit it. So we click on AI website builder, it takes us here. You can see all the pages as created, but you need to upgrade to the paid version. Of course, you can actually try out for free, the pro version, I mean. These are some of the things you'll be able to do once you upgrade. So for instance, we click on add the page. It's as easy as that. You click on it to ask you whether you would do the AI recreation or pre-made pages or blank pages. In this case, I will just test out the AI recreation, and then you insert the page title like so. And then if I want to create it from here now, it will ask me to pay. So what it simply means is that you need to upgrade to the pro version to really enjoy all the features of this amazing platform. So here on the main page, you can see the different color palettes. You have the classic, the clean, the energetic, the forest, the ocean, the safari. For instance, if I switch it to clean, this is how it looks. You can see the feel. The energetic is also very energetic, as the name implies. So I think I prefer this particular one if I was to publish this particular website. So if you click down on this edit button, you see it pops out to the left hand side where all the editing can be done. You can edit virtually all the parts of this particular website using the drag and drop 10 web website builder. Now all the elements that you can use are here: the inner sections, the heading, the image. For those of us who are conversant with website creation tools or website builders like Elementor and the likes, this is very easy. You can edit all the sections of this website in a breeze, just like so. So guys, this is amazing. Just try it out. The about us, the menu, all the pages can be edited, like I have said already. So this is how it works. Try it out and see what you can create with 10web.io, and ensure that you try all the functionalities and upgrade if you can, to see how all of that comes together. Thank you for watching today's video, even as I look forward to seeing you in the next.